Alright, as I was trying to say before my damn battery died, I have a couple of videos I wanted to throw up. I haven't had any time. I ended up getting a virus on my computer, and then I don't know how the hell it happened, but it went away. I'm not even going to ask any questions how or why, but then I got stuck working all week. I worked like 50 something hours. Today's Saturday. It's sun out. It's not that cold. It's about 35, 36 maybe. What else? We've been getting hit with so much freaking snow. It's unbelievable. Like, I'll show you if I can zoom in. That snow banking right there. It's over the goddamn freaking fence. The Troy boat's been busting ass, been running awesome. Ever since we changed the plug in the oil. It's been running great. No problems whatsoever. Little brother picked up a freaking KX80. He needs a top end, but then he worked out a deal with his buddy and got a good used top end for it. Just needs piston rings. Still got the Moto 4. I'm gonna fire that up today. It hasn't been started in a couple of, maybe a week or two. What else? That's about it for now. I'm gonna do a cold start on the Monte right now because I've been wanting to do one for ever since I got the goddamn intake on it. But yeah, today's gonna be kind of like a video day. I'm gonna do some Moto 4 videos and stuff because I haven't really had much time to do anything this week. I'm basically working so much. So let's get it started with the Monte. Maybe I'll go put the camera down. Yes, I know. Put the camera down on the motor. Of course, I'm not on my tripod, so let's see if I can. Should be alright. As you can hear, the intake's pretty damn loud. She's dirty as hell though. There's my little chihuahua. Car is dirty as hell. I gotta take it to the car wash today. Yeah. That's about it for now, guys. I'll do part 2 of this when she warms up.